Hey everybody, Max speaking to you from beautiful Bali right now. And I just wanted to use this opportunity to speak a little bit more about why Healy and what is the special things about Healy. So for all you guys who don't know Healy, this is how the Healy looks like, and it's a frequency device with 144,000 different frequencies, and it is able to send frequencies to your physical body basically. So now the special thing about it is knowing that everything is energy and everything is based on energy, and energy is frequency, so frequencies are everywhere. Now just imagine you have a product which is able to tap into your bioenergetic field, into your energy field. And right now I'm using a program called CARE. It makes me, it's good for my immune system. So you can choose any program you like, whatever you feel for. So it's not a product that you see like, okay, we need to find somebody that needs that product. But you just ask yourself that question, what do you want to improve in your day, in your life, or in your state right now? No matter what it is. Let's say you have a late night last night and need some energy. You wake up this morning, you feel a little bit tired. There are energy frequencies on the device, so you can choose that frequency program. It is within the range of 144,000 frequencies, and some of these frequencies, they put energy in your cell. They increase the ATP level, the protein synthesis in your cell. So they make you alive, they make you more energized. Now the special thing about those programs are, it's not only delivering those frequencies to your system, but it's also analyzing your system with a so-called quantum sensor. And I know that sounds like magic, and what is a quantum sensor? Don't ask me what's a quantum sensor, but it's working phenomenally. So it is detecting what kind of frequencies out of this energy program, frequency program, let's say it has 400 frequencies in there, and it will only pick and choose those frequencies that you really need right now the most. So if somebody else, if I'm using now CARE, and you using the CARE program right after me, it takes like 40 minutes, 45 minutes, your frequency combinations and durations and everything, the sets of frequencies is going to be completely individualized to you and not to me. So everybody's different, and everybody has different sets and customized frequencies for themselves. So it's a really amazing tool. So no matter if you need sleep, there are sleeping frequencies for that. If you eat something heavy and you're not digesting well, there's a frequency program that helps you digest. If you, for example, having a broken heart or you feel mentally unbalanced, there are mental balance frequencies. After the fitness, if you want something to recover faster, speed up your recovery, feel your muscle better, there are muscle frequencies, there are fitness frequency program pages. We have a range of 140 different frequency pages, 140 different frequency programs right now. So it's absolutely amazing. And now there are more and more frequency programs coming. You know, there will be frequencies for stem cells, for weight loss, for anti-aging. So you name it. Basically, we have a technology here which is disrupting several multi-billion-dollar industries, and we don't even know where to start and where to end. If you want to look into products for anti-aging, well, we don't need to compete to any other products. It's not like we are the only we don't need to look for different products on the market with different pricing. We don't compete, because we have frequencies for anti-aging, but at the same time we have frequencies for fitness, we have frequencies for immune system, we have frequencies for your energy centers, for your chakras, for your meridians, you name it. And this is the special thing about this device. So it's basically something that everybody should use. And well, if you ask me where's the future of all this, first of all, I think the future just started, really. It is the moment when science meets spirituality, which it is actually. It is going into your energy body. This is where we make leapfrogs, quantum leapfrogs, in order to go to the next level. And this is just the start. Now imagine in terms of business, what we're doing. We're doing the social selling model. That means I have this little device, and it gives me all the benefits I get from it. And the benefits are, I can't even tell you enough about it. Like the last, I think now 14 months that I'm involved with this one, or let's say a year, I have seen hundreds of testimonials. And it's really waking up in the morning and seeing those testimonials, reading in all these WhatsApp groups, on Facebook testimonial pages, the life-changing experience people have with this device is just beautiful. So it becomes my obligation, responsibility and duty, and so it should be your duty and responsibility and obligation while you're having this device and receiving these beautiful benefits from that, to go out and share it to more people. Okay, because sharing is caring in the end of the day. If you want other people to feel the same way like you do and get the same benefits like you did, or your friends did, or all these people in the testimonial groups, you should share it with other people. So at the same time, when you start sharing it now, you can make yourself a beautiful freedom and abundant lifestyle. Okay, because it's sharing is caring, and it's a social selling model. So you can create and build yourself a business with it, which is beautiful. So this is just the start. And I want you to remind also, or remember, that this is a little beautiful fashionable device, medical class 2 from Germany. In every market it's a little bit different. The only difference is the terminology, how we talk about it. But this is like the iPhone 1, Healy 1. There will be in Healy 2 in 2 years from now, a Healy 3, a Healy 4, iPhone 5, iPhone 6. The technology is continuously developing, but that doesn't change anything in your business position. The moment you have a Healy, you will keep your position, and everything what happens in your organization, everybody who's again purchasing the next Healy with maybe without cables, maybe with, wireless points on your wrist, different technology, faster, whatever it might be, it's going to be better and better, and you have your position right now. So it's basically, see it when you have a Healy right now, you have a prime real estate position or prime real estate land that you purchase right now, which is growing in the future. They need some frequencies too. So we have also calming frequencies, again, mental balance, relaxed frequencies, it doesn't matter. Anyway, so with that said, I think we're here really on pioneering something absolutely amazing, something absolutely great. And I'm happy to invite you to join and try this one out. And please remember, sharing is caring. So the moment you have it and you have these amazing benefits for yourself, share it with other people. Create the same benefits for other people. Let other people feel good about this too. And create an abundant lifestyle for yourself. So with that said, I wish you all a blessed day. Thank you.